Hello YouTubers, it's Melody speaking here, and today I'm excited because today I woke up and there's a really heavy snowstorm here in Belfast. So there is a really heavy snowstorm now. I know England and all have got it, but now it came to Belfast, so it has, and then we have now got it quite heavy. I'm off college today because the snow's too heavy to go in, and my college is even closed. So I woke up, I'm literally just out of bed, so I am been up for about 5 minutes, and that's why I look a bit tired. And you can see I'm still in my jammies. Literally just up because I just need to see a snowstorm, so I did. So I'm gonna go out and see it. And I woke up with a text saying I was off college, so I was good. Thank goodness. Now here's the snow. Hold on, let me just time it this. I'll tuck it in. Okay, right. So here's the snow. It's quite heavy. See how deep it is? Look. Okay, it's very deep. Very deep, and it's very heavy. It's all very heavy. See, there's my bin. Ooh. My hand's now cold. So, it's the snowstorm. Yep, it's definitely deep and heavy, alright. Definitely. My feet. Definitely deep and heavy. So, anyone here in Belfast or anyone in England, because I know the snow is quite still bad down there, and Scotland, wherever the snow is, keep safe and make sure that you're safe in the snow, and make sure you're all wrapped up nice and warm, because it is freezing, so it is. I'm not really wrapped up at the moment because it's only my back arm in, but I wouldn't fancy being out in that snow. It's really cold, so it is, and really deep and heavy, as you can probably see in my video. And I don't think it's going to get. I think it's going to get even worse as the day goes on. So yep. So keep safe and warm, everyone whose country is snow, because it is really heavy here. So it is, and look, as you can see everywhere, it's on. So it is. And there's my garden seat. How what covered that is, and look at my whole garden. The grass, that's grass, so it is, but you can't even see the grass because it's so covered in snow. But yep. So I'm gonna go back in because it's freezing. So close the door. So yep. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. I'll go into the front room here. So yep, that's all I wanted to say, guys. I'm probably just going to be lying here in my jammies all day and with TV remote because it's too cold to be going outside. So I'm just going to be having a lazy day and watching TV, and also I am. So yep, so that's all I wanted to say, guys. That's the snow, so it is. That's the weather today, and that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Keep updating my videos, but that's all from me for now, and I'll see you guys later. So yeah, go have my lazy day. Bye.